Hey everyone, I'm Yankel, and today we're going to talk about sauteing. The main idea is using a really hot pan and keeping it moving. Some of the tools that we're going to use are an excellent saute pan. I'm looking for like a thick bottom stainless steel pan that will really transfer heat well, but that'll keep food from burning. And then I'm going to use a wooden spoon. I've got tongs, which I'll use most likely to serve. We've got some basic cooking fats. I've got extra virgin olive oil and some ghee or clarified butter. And that's basically all you need to get sauteing. So let's take a look at what we're gonna do. We're ready to saute. I've got my heavy stainless steel pan heating up. I start on a really high heat. Get the pan nice and hot. It'll cool down a little bit when I add ingredients. So I'm gonna start with some fat and my onions, garlic, and ginger. As you saute, the idea is to keep everything moving. Bring everything to the front of the pan, flick it back. And once you get a rhythm going, it sort of does it on its own. Vegetables have a good sweat going. We're gonna add our ground pork. So we're just gonna make sure that our ground pork is broken up. This will work for any ground product. Ground chicken, ground beef, ground lamb, whatever it is. All right, we're gonna add some seasoning. And a little bit of liquid. Once I've added the liquid, I'm gonna let it cook down a little bit, just to make sure the protein is fully cooked, and then we're done. Sauteing is one of those things, super fast. You can saute anything if you cut it small enough. So if you're in a hurry, you want to move along, cut it into little pieces, cut everything into little pieces, throw it into the pan, move it around for a bit, done. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to the ButcherBox channel. We want to make it better and we need your help. So if you liked what you saw or you didn't, click the survey below and tell us what you think. Thank you so much for tuning in.